Namaskar and welcome back to the Bengal's Kitchen. Eid is coming soon and this year Eid is going to be a little different because of the pandemic all around. But never mind. With the grace of the Almighty, we'll definitely come out of this cruel situation. I really hope you spend a fantastic Eid celebrating with your family and of course praying for the people who are suffering. As you all know, today's video is Eid special and this one is not going to be a rich or spicy recipe because this contains lots of greens, dahi and Indian spices, and it is quite refreshing and healthy. So this is called Burani, or you can call it a perfect biryani drink. So what is it exactly? For that, you need to watch the full video without skipping. So let's begin. So next time, whenever you are trying a Mughal recipe or especially biryani, do not forget to make this recipe for a better refreshment. And if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel or watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe it right now and do not forget to hit the bell icon for the instant notification. We'll see you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.